Well, those blizzard warnings dropped off as we went through the day, but as many drivers who hit the roads today know, it was pretty nasty out there nonetheless. This is some video we got in from Jason here behind me and now on your screen. And this was this morning, about 10 o'clock, tight snowmobile on Highway 35. Lots of blowing snow, extremely reduced visibilities here, and this was the case in a large area here at Keloland this morning, especially in the east where we had